Hi everybody, today I'm going to create an admin panel for my store using Supabase as the backend. I'm going to select connect to Supabase option and then I'm going to pick my Supabase DB that I already created and I'm just going to press continue. And Refine is going to analyze my database to understand the connections and the tables that I have. You can see here I have the products table with ID, name, description, price, stock, category, status and created that. Let's just press complete setup, and while this is happening I'm going to show you the Supabase dashboard as well. In Supabase, we have name, description, price, stock, category, status, and create that. It's the exact same thing Refine has analyzed as well. Now we can jump back and see what has happened. When you start the project with a data resource connected, it's going to analyze and it's going to give you a couple of different options that you might want to build. For example, we have here product management panel, inventory dashboard, full product inventory tool, or something else. In this case, we are going to build a product management dashboard. So let's just jump ahead and press send and see what's going to happen next. It has created the plan for us with 3 phases. I'm just going to press execute, and while this is happening we can go over the plan. And in here at the first phase we have the core product management, and it's going to deliver us a working product table with the ability to add, edit and delete products. This is exactly what we needed for the initial phase. On the second phase it's going to add search, filters and polish, and on the third phase we're going to have a dashboard with the inventory metrics and stock health at a glance. That is also really cool. So let's just wait for it to finish and then we can see the result of the first phase. Phase 1 has been completed and it has asked me to take a look around and click around. So we're going to do exactly that. I'll just jump over to preview, and here you can see a really important feature that we have. Every single time you connect Supabase to Refine, it's going to add authentication by default, so you don't need to do anything. So I'm just going to log in here. And in here you can see we have our products table straight from Supabase, and in here we have our edit, create and delete actions. So let's just try to create a product here. Let's call it my super earbuds. Let's make it $500. And let's just put it on electronics category, and the stock is going to be 5. And let's just put it to active, create product. Now we got an error and it's not letting us add the product. I'm just going to copy this error and ask it to fix. And instantly under 2 seconds you can see it already identified the problem. The database has a check constraint on the status field. The values being submitted don't match what it expects. So it's going to fix it right away, and we can also observe what's happening by pressing this button there. And it's going to go to create TSX and edit TSX files and update them. And after this is done, we're going to try to create our product again. This problem was maybe under a minute to fix, so that's also really cool. So we will just going to create a product again. Super cool earbuds, 500. Electronics, stock is going to be 5, and let's go with active status. And in here you can see we have successfully created the product. And if we jump over to our Supabase, we can see I have my super cool earbuds. The price is 500, stock is 5, and it's in electronics category. I'm just going to jump over and continue building the product. The second phase has been completed. Let's just jump over to preview and see everything that has been implemented. And in here we're going to first try the search functionality to search for my super cool earbuds, and yep, they're there. And maybe we can go and pick the laptops filter to see if it's working, and you can see we have that as well. And also we have this low stock highlight feature implemented as well, and as you can see we have a 19 stock, looks normal, and then we have the stock 0 which is highlighted on red. We have created a fully functioning admin dashboard that has a Supabase backend in under 5 minutes, and as you can see everything was really straightforward. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye.